My name is Dr. David Zimbersi, and I'd like to share with you some of the most effective ways that I've found in help relieving the symptoms and pain associated with scoliosis. Now, there's two main therapies that we're going to be talking about, and those two therapies, when used by themselves, are very effective, but when they're used together, they're even more effective and help out even more than what they are by themselves. Those two therapies are the chiropractic adjustment and also electrical muscle stimulation. The chiropractic adjustment helps out in three very important factors. It helps out with the nerve, it helps out with the discs, and it also helps out with the joints. With regards to the nerve with the chiropractic adjustment, when the chiropractic adjustment is applied to the spine, it helps relieve the pressure and things that might be pressing on those nerves and causing that nerve pain or any of the pain associated in that area. With regard to the discs, again, when that chiropractic adjustment is applied to that area, it allows more area for those discs to be able to function and be in the right position where they need to be so that they aren't causing pain in themselves or the discs are not applying pressure to those nerves that are coming out of that area as well. Then with regards to the joints in those areas, when the chiropractic adjustment is applied there, a lot of times when we have scoliosis, the pressure going through those joints are very high, and if we can reduce that pressure going through just through the adjustment, we're going to reduce the amount of pain because the sensitivity between those joints is very high, and that's one of our main pain generators for scoliosis as well. Moving on to the electrical muscle stimulation, there are three main factors that we're going to be addressing or wanting to address with the electrical muscle stimulation, or how it helps. The first one is going to be reducing the amount of pain. The second one is going to be reducing the amount of muscle tension or muscle tightness. And lastly, it's going to be helping out with the inflammation as well. With regard to the reduction in pain, when we're applying the electrical muscle stimulation, we're basically putting a low current or a low voltage of electricity through those areas, and it basically works as a nerve block. So the pain that would typically be sent from those areas is not being transmitted as high or as much or completely at all. So it might reduce that pain altogether. With regards to the muscle spasm or muscle tightness, the electrical current that's going through those areas is also affecting those muscles and effectively helping those muscles to relax and not be as tight as they were before. Then with regards to the inflammation, the electrical stimulation that we're putting through those areas has a pulse to it, so it has more or less a mechanical effect to it, and it helps clean out or sweep out some of the inflammation that would be building up in those areas. Now, a lot of times when people tell us that or have been getting treated with scoliosis in our office, they'll tell us that they've had a reduction in the pain that they're experiencing. They're going to be increasing the range of motion, and they're also going to be experiencing a decrease in the muscle spasm and muscle tightness. And those two things are very important because those are three things that they haven't been able to do throughout their day for quite some time. And that are things that are going to be affecting their work, so they're able to work for longer periods of time. They're able to work throughout the day without having any pain or discomfort. They're able to perform their job better. They're able to go through their activities of daily living pain-free and better as well. Things such as your daily hygiene things, taking a shower, being able to brush your hair, wash your hair, be able to put your clothes on, tie your shoes, things like that. And lastly, they're also experiencing better sleep at night. They're able to fall asleep better at night, they're able to stay asleep and feel more rested when they wake up in the morning after their treatment in the office with us. So if you're in pain and you're experiencing pain, we'd love to help. Please give our office a call at 618-519-9334.